Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the world of automotive innovation and excitement. Today we're taking a closer look at the Tesla Model X, a groundbreaking vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. From its unique design features to its advanced interior amenities and electric powertrain, the Model X represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Join us as we explore every facet of this remarkable SUV and uncover the secrets behind its allure. Interior features and design. Step inside the Tesla Model X, and you're greeted by a spacious and meticulously crafted interior designed to elevate the driving experience. With seating for up to 7 passengers, including a front trunk affectionately known as the frunk, the Model X offers versatility and practicality for families and adventurers alike. Folding down the seats reveals a cavernous cargo area boasting 88 cubic feet of space, ideal for hauling gear and luggage on your next journey. One of the Model X's most distinctive features is its falcon wing doors, which open upward like wings, adding a touch of futuristic flair to the vehicle. While undeniably stylish, some may find these doors cumbersome, as they require 20 seconds to open and necessitate careful positioning in tight spaces. Inside the cabin, passengers are treated to an array of amenities designed for comfort and convenience. 6 cup holders, a spacious center console, and up to 5 USB ports ensure that everyone stays connected and hydrated on long drives. The front seats offer ample space for both head and legs, while the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. Exterior design and aesthetics. The exterior of the Tesla Model X exudes sophistication and refinement, with sleek lines and a modern silhouette that commands attention on the road. Recent updates to the front end and bumper designs have further enhanced the Model X's aesthetic appeal, while advanced matrix-LED headlights provide optimal visibility and safety for nighttime driving. Equipped with Tesla's latest hardware version 4, the Model X features improved sensors and cameras, paving the way for enhanced autonomous driving capabilities. An additional camera mounted on the front bumper ensures a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings, further bolstering its safety features. Performance and handling. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model X delivers in spades. Powered by electric motors, the Model X accelerates with breathtaking speed, rivaling that of traditional sports cars. Thanks to its all-electric powertrain, the Model X offers instant torque and seamless acceleration, making every drive a thrill ride. Behind the wheel, drivers can expect precise handling and responsive steering, thanks to Tesla's innovative steer-by-wire technology. This cutting-edge system removes the physical connection between the steering wheel and the front wheels, allowing for smoother and more precise control at varying speeds. Review and pricing. In summary, the 2024 Tesla Model X represents the culmination of years of innovation and refinement. With its spacious interior, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, it's no wonder why the Model X has become a favorite among electric SUV enthusiasts. As for pricing, the Model X is available in various configurations, with prices starting at $65,500 for the base model and reaching up to $91,600 for the top-of-the-line performance variant. With its unmatched combination of luxury, performance, and sustainability, the Model X is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry for years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Tesla Model X stands as a testament to the power of innovation and imagination in the automotive world. With its groundbreaking design, advanced technology, and uncompromising performance, the Model X represents a bold step forward in the pursuit of sustainable transportation. As we look to the future, the Model X serves as a shining example of what's possible when passion and ingenuity collide. Whether you're drawn to its futuristic design, exhilarating performance, or eco-friendly ethos, the Model X offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of automotive excellence. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights into the latest developments in the world of cars and technology. Until next time, Drive safe and keep dreaming big.